How many bags of premixed concrete do you need to pour a 12-foot by 12-foot concrete slab? And in this instance, we'll assume that the slab you're talking about is 4 inches in thickness. That's the most common thickness, so that's what we're going to use here. 12 foot by 12 foot by 4 inches in thickness is 1.78 cubic yards of concrete. 1.8 cubic yards of concrete is kind of it's a bad number because it's really too much to mix yourself. It really is. That's a lot of work. We'll break it down into 60-pound and 80-pound bags, but it's really too much to mix on your own. But when you order ready mix, it's normally like 3 cubic yards minimum, or there's underage charges, which are, fairly substantial. 1.78 cubic yards of concrete from 60-pound bags would be 107 bags. 80-pound bags of concrete, you would need 80 of them for this job. Like, it's technically possible you could mix this much concrete yourself, but mixing 107 60-pound bags of concrete, it's a lot of work. And it's not just the work. You're going to have problems with consistency because it's very tough to batch out even just a handful of batches with a consistent viscosity to the mix, right? You miss that water content 5% or in either direction, and the concrete becomes much stiffer and it starts setting up early, or this section's really wet and it doesn't, it sets up late versus the other stuff. So it's not realistic to think about batching that amount, or you're going to have to augment your placing and finishing process. Like, you place all of it, but you don't fill the forms all the way. You leave the forms low such that you can come back before anything's fully set up, and now you're adding a top layer, which you can add faster such that you can finish the top kind of all at once. That would be your best bet in a situation like that. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and you're going to learn a ton about how to work with concrete.